Alright, welcome to Powerful Life Skills. The introduction of Powerful Life Skills is to provide people with knowledge how to do household things. You don't have to call these major plumbers or electricians, carpenters, stuff like that. I'm going to teach you videos every week how to get these things uploaded. So today I'm putting a pressure relief valve on the water heater tank. And this is what they look like. You screw it in right here. Get you some copper pipe. I got me a couple feet of it. I'm going to run one pipe. I soldered this on yesterday. It's not the best job, but it's going to do. It sealed it all up, see? And over time, practicing, you'll get better. I'm going to get a elbow piece, connect it here, and that has got me another downspout piece. This is just a short one, but I'm actually connecting a long one, so it runs down the side of the tank, okay? And I'm going to show you what demonstration purposes only today, that I'm going to show you how to solder it and put it together. All right. Set you up right here, guys. All right. So today, first thing I'm going to do, put this cap on. All right. So there's my elbow 90 degrees. Okay. I'm going to heat it up. What I'm going to do is go get you a bottle of this at Home Depot. Get you a top. They can sell them in a kit. Say 30 bucks maybe, 35 maybe tops. I usually have stuff laying around my house, so that's why I have lots. Alright, so then you get you some flux, just like this, and you got to heat it up. So I turn the tank on, you hear it? Keep it up, got to heat it up. I'm going to lay it on the edge of my bed. Let's see if you can see it, so you can see it. I'm not trying to heat my bed up, so. I'm heating it up. When you get it off, if you grip it on there, just heat it up. It'll roll off. If you aim it up, it'll stop blowing. So just relight it. And you see I just aimed it up. Right now it's real hot. That's why the flux is melting so quick on it. That's fine. I'm gonna leave that running for just a second. I know criticize people because they haven't bought it yet. The pipe is warm, so be careful. Usually wear gloves. I have my gloves in the truck. Alright, then you're gonna connect this piece. Cooling off. I always keep a bottle of water and cool it off real quick. See, now the pipe's cold. Okay, so now connecting this elbow piece, this downspout to the elbow piece. Then you're going to solder this part together. That way it seals all the water. It's going to be a little harder to do. Get you some out. Go ahead and stick it out. Turn your tank back on. Today's a windy day, so it's a little hard for me to get this going right. Trying to get my bead to go. That one looks really bad. So I'll zoom in later and show you how bad that one looks. I'm going to heat it up. Try to get where I can play with it. When you heat it up, you can move it around again. That's a good part. I gotta flip it over. the back side, and I'm going to heat this up so those melt off. Don't do what I did. Stick it close to my face. Alright. Let me heat this up a little bit. By heating it up, it's going to go right into those seams, which is what I'm wanting. And then let the excess drip off. Put a little bit to run on this side. Alright, so we'll let it cool off. I'm going to show you the end result real quick. Turn the tank off. Once out of gas, it'll shut off on its own, see? Alright, so I'm going to pour water on it, just cool it off. You can hear it sizzle. Alright, what I love doing to test my pipes, I pour water in it. If it leaks later, you know you didn't seal it. Alright, so I got a lot of water in there right now. That's me pouring it all over. But you can see, my water's holding. So my welds are good. Well, not weld, but a sod. See? And this is what they look like. I didn't do a good job on this side right here, but I'll melt it off later. But on this one, you can see I did a really good job. Melted it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just how to fix some of your water heater tanks if you want to do it yourself. That way you don't have to pay all that money. And I'll help upload more videos lately. Check us out at powerfullifeskills.com.